Hi everyone, let's learn about being a friend of nature. First, how do we become a friend of nature? Be kind to plants and animals. We don't throw trash on the ground. That's lucky for everyone. We learn about the birds, about the birds, the trees, and maybe even the fish in the sea. If you live near the beach and be near the beach. Next, picking flowers. You can pick flowers from your garden, but ask for a grown up. Okay, and don't pick the ones
I guess there's
the
flower.
ones you see growing wild in you see
How about the stem?
growing wild in parks or fields. They will for everyone and enjoy and for the bees, butterflies too.
Okay.
And lastly, how protect trees, nests and everything in nature. You don't plant trees
Look at the
without
inside.
permission. Be quiet, no nest,
What is the inside?
and don't break branches. That's how we take care of
Okay, what else?
nature.
How about this? What? You see a rock? Done?